Bonjour.
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 We are
You
in
want to film?
Italy.
Yeah. A few more to go. I'm gonna back.
How do you find it? Is it nice?
They won't hear you.
Ah, they won't hear.
Yeah.
How is it? Nice? No.
No, you won't hear.
Yeah. Yes, yes, Kermit.
You can see the balcony road up on the left. And one ugly wind turbine, two ugly wind turbines. Yeah. Push. There's just a few bikes here. I was going to just tighten your thing, but you took off.
What do I do?
It's alright. It's okay.
Back there.
Yeah. Hang on. Okay.
What are we doing?
I don't know. I'm just following.
We're not stopping, I am guessing.
How's the old bike? Just one sec.
Have you done it? Yeah?
I think so. See how it goes.
Okay. Very nice.
Hmm. Around here, by the look of it.
Yeah. The ones that take cold showers.
Yeah.
Well, if you're a hiker, you are all energized and already used
Yep.
what the
Oh yeah. Up, you do up. Now we get onto the highway. That was good. Au revoir. Cows are all sitting in there. There's Michael and Verena down the bottom. There's a wave, got a wave from them. Well, there's lunch. Burgers by the dozen.
It's coming, so just windy road.
Yes, and
The church.
yeah, and the clouds are lifting up off
Oh, nice. nice. Look at that, eh?
Yeah.
I just said already to Greg, I miss the anchor.
Yeah.
He didn't find it funny.
Well, you know, you can't keep rolling out the same old joke. You got to come up with new ones.
Yes, you can.
Yeah, mate, makes it a little bit tough, but away we go. You can see about 100 metres ahead.
Yeah, well, sometimes it's enough.
Yeah.
It's just my bike doesn't go, so
Yeah.
unless I pedal.
Yeah, it's getting a little bit thicker here by the look of it.
Yeah, but you have flowers on the side.
Yeah.
Oh, look at the road. Nice. Whee! I'm glad I don't see the big hole that is there.
Yeah. Oh, you can get a little glimpse. Just faintly see it. There you go. We're away from the cloud now. See it easy.
Oh, it's just so beautiful, eh?
Yeah.
Nice and rich.
Yeah. Nice waterfall ahead.
Oh yeah. Well, you can have it on video.
I
Better
can.
on video than you can. I'm allowing you to have a video with the waterfall.
Yeah, very nice. There's no one behind me, so I'm gonna just
Nice. Oh, look at
pull
that.
up just for a sec. Very pretty.
Yes. Been raining here.
Yeah, it has. The roads are a little bit wet.
Hopefully our tactic will work.
We got another bus ahead. You can be doing the pass. Perched pass, 2436 meters.
Took a picture. Thank you. Took a picture of us.
We were there too.
Yeah, we were in the picture.
I got them on the video. Welcome in. That looks really nice.
At the top there.
Yeah. We have a bit of a screen spaghetti going on there.
Yeah.
And off in the distance, heading up to the dam. Okay.
No.
Okay, he's just going to hold us up.
Yeah. You will.
Good view of the river.
That river is really nice.
Yeah, the road looks pretty good too. Just a lot of sweeping bends. I looked at the sign on the side of the bus. I thought it said Dilly Gaff first. Should be able to see a nice waterfall off the right hand side here. I have no one behind me. I might just take a little look.
Looky look.
Oh yeah, that's pretty spish. See if I can get away from very no. No, I missed. No.
Ah, look.
They beat me to it. They've jumped in front of that bus. We are at the top of the Grimsel Pass. 2164 meters.
Do we stop here or we go?
I'd say we'll probably keep going. Hang on. Just pull up.
There's a car park here. So we
Is a
stop?
car park there, is there?
Yeah.
Okay,
Stop
just
here.
go on and we'll just pull around the corner.
I don't understand what you said.
Stay there. We'll just
stop?
park, yeah.
Ah,
There's we just to have a short break was the theory.
okay.
This,
I will need your help with the bike
Yeah?
because I'm stopped like stupid
Yeah.
where the bus is supposed to stop. Alright, I'll put it here. There you go. Done.
Top of the Grimsel Pass. We've just had a short break.
The Siggy.
Ziggy break, because we have some smokers.
Ah, no, on a smoker.
Yeah.
We're on a smoker, so leave me alone.
Got a little bit of rain starting too. Bit unfortunate. Very muddy. Almost looks like the Brisbane River. Yeah. I don't know. Yeah. Well, that's the dam wall from the first
Did you
one.
wipe the lens?
Is a good idea.